Alright, guys, I'll be taking you on how to use ChatGPT to create content for your how to use ChatGPT for your social media content. So let's get started. I'll be using Kiwi browser this moment. Yeah, I'm using Kiwi browser. Now, just in case you have issues with the chat.openai play, because I just noticed that at times they do go offline, I prefer you use beta.openai. This is the playground. So all you just need to do is just type in beta.openai.playground, and then all you need to do is just sign up with your email address. Then you sign up, you attach your phone number, you get a code, and then you're set for business. So now let's get straight into today's business of the day. Social media content ideas. How do you get social media content ideas for your brand? How do you create social media content ideas for your brand? Now, you might have a lot going through your mind. What should you upload today? What should you write? What can you do? I'm just going to give you an easy skill on how to do this. So we are going to ask ChatGPT for some content ideas for our social media page, so that we can upload it. So now let's go. I'm going to start with by asking ChatGPT some questions as an expert. So let's say, let me talk to ChatGPT as an expert. I'm taking ChatGPT as, for example, Elon Musk, Instant, Tesla, combined, the rest of them. So let's try something like this. Ask ChatGPT to become an expert in any field, and then let's see what it has. So let's say act as a talented entrepreneur with IQ level of let's say Elon Musk, let's say Easton combined. Now let's ask the question. What can we ask for? Let's say we want to write about a barbering salon business, so let's get content for it. What can we ask it? What can we ask? Okay, let's say this. Tell me how to grow fast, like paper, and then you click on the submit here. You allow it to load. Now you can see it's giving you ideas, giving you content, giving you what you can write. Now this can go for a particular day or less. I just stopped at number 6. You can click continue, they submit again to keep generating some content. So it's still going over and over and over again, giving you content that you can use for your business. Now let me, I think this is okay. We click submit. I think that is all. It's done. If we placed in the number of ideas we need ChatGPT to tell us, even though we say 20 here, like tell me 20 ideas on how to grow it's going to give us 20 of this. All you just need to do is just click submit and let it keep generating these ideas for you. So let's move on. Content for our social media pages for businesses. So I'm going to be using a barbing salon for this particular aspect. Let's say you're managing a barbing salon social media page on Facebook. So now you want to get content. This is how you should write it. Let's say I want to tell you to write a 7 days content calendar. You can say 14 days. So let me say write a 7 days. Sorry, 7 days breaks. Taking content calendar for the month of January and February. Sorry, in the month of now I want to give it a niche. The content calendar I need is for a barbing salon, so I'll say for a barbing salon social media page or Facebook. Now we click the submit button. Let's see what it can give to us. Now it has here January day 1. Welcome to the new year. Kick off the month with special offers from January. Now this what it is giving you here. If you don't like it, you don't like what it is offering you here, you could change it. You could tell it to refurbish and give you another different idea. Like now, January day 2 says show off your latest creation. We want to see your best barbing looks of the year. Share photo with us and tag. You can use the hashtag can be the hashtag of the barbing salon you're working for. Now let's say we don't want this. What we do is just click on this button instead bottom here. Yeah, we click it to refurbish. It's gonna click this. Yeah, click this to refurbish it. It's gonna give us different. It's gonna give us a different content entirely. So wait for it to load. Now you see this is a different content again for the month of January and February. Now we stop this February stopped at day 4. All you just need to do is click submit. For it to continue, you need to be complete the 7 and you're done. So you can do this for any business you have at hand, even if it is you're into baking, you're into plumbing, POP, whatsoever business you're doing. This just gives you an idea of what you should create. Then after this, you can get a pictorial image or view of what it is saying, and then you place it in your social media page. I think that is all for now. So if you have any question, please you're still free to answer. Let's move to the next video. Thank you.